The first chapter of CPEC built Pakistan's physical connectivity, roads, power, ports, and infrastructure. The next chapter must build Pakistan's intelligence connectivity, AI, data centers, open models, robotics, platforms, software companies, and the agentic business for every sector of the economy, including drones, low aviation. And this is where Pakistan and China can create history together, I believe, because China can provide Pakistan with the infrastructural layer, chips, data centers, cloud, open models, robotics, and the developer platform. Then Pakistan can provide what no other country in the world has right now, which is the software layer, the young engineers, the freelancers, the software houses, and we can help build those AI agents, automation tools, marketing engine, coding agents, productivity systems, which can then be exported to the world. So the real opportunity is not only to use AI inside Pakistan, the real opportunity is to turn Pakistan's youth into the AI implementation workforce for the whole world. For instance, the United States of America alone has around 36 million small businesses, and the UK has millions of more. They all know that AI matters, but most of them do not know how to implement it. They cannot go to the likes of McKinsey, they cannot go to the likes of Accenture or the Silicon Valley engineers. They need affordable, practical, and vertical AI solutions. And this is where the Pakistani youth can win. Pakistan does not need to become the Silicon Valley overnight. Pakistan must become the world's most aggressive AI adoption economy factory. Because AI is not only a technology policy, it is about an employment policy, it is an export policy, it is a productivity policy, and it is Pakistan's sovereignty policy.